What is the energy revolution system and how does it work? Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm really excited to share my personal experience with the energy revolution system. I've been using this product for about a month now and I can't wait to tell you everything. The story behind Nikola Tesla's lost invention, the results I've seen, whether it's worth trying, and some important tips for anyone considering it. So let's get started. What's included in the Energy Revolution System package? First off, if you're thinking about getting the Energy Revolution System, you've got to be super careful about where you buy it. There are a lot of fake versions floating around online, and you don't want to end up with something that doesn't work, or worse, could be harmful. To make sure you're getting the authentic product, always purchase from the official website. I've made it easy for you. The link to the official site is in the description or in the first comment below. Why I decided to try the Energy Revolution System. For a long time, I was struggling with skyrocketing electricity bills that were putting a huge strain on my monthly budget. Every time the bill arrived, I dreaded opening it, knowing it would eat up so much of my hard-earned money. It was stressful and really affected my ability to save or spend on things that mattered to me and my family. I knew I needed a solution to cut energy costs without sacrificing the comfort of my home. That's when I discovered the Energy Revolution System through a friend who had been raving about how it changed their life. After doing some research, I decided to give it a shot. What is the Energy Revolution System? From what I've learned, Energy Revolution is a unique system inspired by innovative concepts designed to help you create your own energy source at home. It's a step-by-step guide with easy-to-follow instructions, videos, and illustrations, allowing regular folks like me to build a personal power solution without relying on expensive installations or weather-dependent systems like solar panels. How to assemble the Energy Revolution System, step by step. You don't need to be a technician or an engineer. The guide is designed for everyday people, and it's already helped thousands build their own energy systems. The manual walks you through every step of building and maintaining the system using easy-to-find parts. Just follow the instructions closely, and you'll be surprised how manageable it is. How long until you see results with the system? I started seeing results just 2 weeks after setting up the system. By the end of the month, my electricity bill had dropped significantly. I felt a real sense of freedom, knowing I wasn't completely dependent on big energy companies anymore. It made a huge difference in my life. I'm saving money, reducing stress, and feeling proud of taking control of my energy needs. Is the Energy Revolution System worth it in 2025? Honestly, I was skeptical at first. I thought it might be too good to be true, or that I'd end up wasting my money on something I couldn't figure out. But after reading reviews on the official site and seeing how many people had success with it, I took the leap. And I'm so glad I did. Real user testimonials and reviews. Thousands of users just like me have shared success stories. The system is praised for being affordable, effective, and easy to use. It's not a miracle product, but it's a real practical solution if you're serious about cutting down your power bills. Important tips before you start. Let me be real with you. Don't fall for claims promising instant savings overnight. The setup isn't overly complicated, but it does take some time and commitment to get everything running smoothly. For the best long-term results, plan to invest a bit of effort up front and maintain the system over time. But trust me, if you stick with it, you'll start seeing savings pretty quickly, and they'll only grow from there. Where to purchase the Energy Revolution System? Once again, and I can't stress this enough, make sure you're buying from the official website. That's the only way to guarantee you're getting the real deal. I've included the official link in the description and first comment below for your convenience. Thanks so much for taking the time to listen to my story. I truly hope this helps anyone out there who's tired of high energy bills and looking for a way to gain energy independence. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you have any questions.